DM30 microphone, which is a budget-friendly condenser microphone that is perfect for gamers, streamers, and content creators. I've been using this microphone for some time now and found it to be so beneficial to my content creation process that I almost forgot that it was sent to me for review. In this review, I'll be examining the DM30's design, sound quality, connectivity and control, software, value for money, and all the drawbacks you need to know with this microphone. So if you're in the market looking for a new microphone, stick around to the end of this video to find out if the DM30 is the right microphone for you. And of course, this video, just like my other recent videos, will be recorded with this microphone. Hey, what's up guys, it's Victor here again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video like this one. Okay, let's get into the video, but first let's see what came in the box. We have the microphone already screwed to the base, a USB-C cable with a USB-A adapter, and finally a user manual. And that is all that came with the box. Now let's talk about the design. The DM30 is made almost entirely of metal, including the knob and the honeycomb grid or mesh at the front, with the only exception being the plastic cap on the top, which is also nicely fitted. Its sleek and professional looking design makes it difficult to tell that it's a budget microphone. It comes in 4 different colors, this white one, which I really like, the black, purple and pink variants. The Maono DM30 consists of a condenser microphone connected to a slightly heavy base with a rubber-like pad where it is connected. The arm can be unscrewed completely so it can be connected to a boom arm. There are 2 ports underneath it, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB-C port for connecting it to your laptop. Finally, there is a small button for turning on the RGB lights with 7 modes for each individual color of the RGB variety and the rainbow mode that cycles through color gradients. Now onto sound quality, which is like the most important part of this video. The DM30 is a high sensitivity condenser microphone core with a sampling rate of 24 bits, 48 kHz. This microphone has a cardiac pickup pattern that minimizes background noise, which means it is direction sensitive and only picks up sound from the front of the mic while blurring out background noise. So here is what it sounds like with me talking directly into the mic capsule. 1 2 1 2 testing the microphone, 1 2 1 2 testing the microphone. And now this is how it sounds if I move to the side of the microphone. 1 2 1 2 testing the microphone, 1 2 1 2 testing the microphone. Yeah, very remarkable difference there. The DM30's sound quality is excellent for its price range. My voice sounded clear and crisp and there was no noticeable background noise. The mic's pickup is also quite good, able to detect your voice from a fair distance without too much loss in volume or quality. So this is how it sounds with the mic almost touching my mouth. This is how it sounds from about 1.5 feet. And this is how it sounds from, let's say, 2.5 feet or thereabouts. You lose a lot of quality if you go far, but then the mic is still doing a good job with retaining a fair amount of quality in your voice. However, if you are sitting close to it, you should use a plosive filter. This microphone does not have an inbuilt plosive filter, so it will normally sound like this. Papa Peter Patra Popo Pinya Papa Po. 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 Po 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 po. As you can hear from that little test, it is not exactly bad, but a plosive filter would improve things a lot. Another way the Maono DM30 excels is in terms of clarity, outperforming many microphones around its price range. The loudness is acceptable and bringing the mic closer to you lets it scoop out those minute details in your voice. The DM30 is very easy to use. It connects to your computer or mobile device via a USB-C cable, making it a great option for use with laptops, tablets and smartphones. The Maono DM30 also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which allows you to monitor your audio in real time. This is a great feature for live streaming and recording, as it allows you to ensure that your audio is sounding good before you broadcast it. It features zero latency monitoring, which ensures that you will hear your audio with no delay, and that is an important factor when live streaming or recording. The Maono DM30 microphone has a single knob on the front of the microphone. The controls on the microphone are also very intuitive, so you can easily adjust the gain of the microphone. You can turn the knob in any direction to increase and reduce the gain. Once it reaches the maximum or minimum level, the indicator light will blink a few times. Tapping the button once mutes or unmutes the mic, and I found this very useful because with just one tap, if you are on a Zoom or Teams call, you can just mute your microphone instead of struggling looking for where to mute or unmute your microphone in the software while on a voice call. You can also adjust the volume of the headphone monitoring by long pressing the knob until the green light switches to the headphone icon. Apart from the hardware that you see, this mic came bundled with a software. The DM30 comes with Maono Link software that you can use to control certain aspects of your microphone. It allows you to adjust the equalizer settings, limiter, compressor, headphone volume, and microphone gain. You can also monitor the microphone, customize RGB light, and choose from 4 mic tone presets, which are legacy, deep, natural, and bright, all on the app. But I personally prefer the natural mode. The limiter in the settings allows you to reduce the mic's loudness if you would like. The compressor slider makes dampening your sound as simple as possible. And there's even an equalizer to help you really extract the best sound possible out of your microphone. Sadly, the equalizer only comes in presets, so you cannot go in and fine-tune things as much as you want. In all, the software is simple to use, as is everything about this microphone. Every option is clearly displayed and controlled with simple sliders and buttons that are easy to understand. The effects are also immediate, meaning you can effectively and efficiently change and test out settings to your liking. The Maono DM30 is a great value for money microphone. It offers excellent sound quality and a variety of features, and it is very easy to use. If you are looking for a budget-friendly condenser microphone that won't disappoint, the DM30 is a great option. It is a great all-around microphone that can be used for a variety of audio recording applications. It is perfect for gaming, streaming, and content creation. It can also be used for podcasting, voiceover work, and music production. The DM30 costs only $49.99 US, so you are not breaking the bank to get this. I sincerely like that the DM30 has excellent sound quality for the price, a variety of features, and is easy to use and affordable. However, there is no built-in shock mount, and Maono does not offer anything that supports it at the moment. And it is not as sensitive as a high-end condenser microphone like the Rode Pod mic, I think that's what it's called, or the Shure SM7B. I also don't like that the gain control using the knob doesn't show the level of the microphone. But in summary, the Maono DM30 is an excellent condenser microphone for gamers, streamers, and content creators. It offers great sound quality and a variety of features, and it is very easy to use. If you are looking for a budget-friendly microphone that won't disappoint, then the DM30 is a great option. I love it so much that I'm planning on buying the $150 PD400X with XLR and USB connection options. If you have any questions about the Maono DM30, please leave a comment below. I will be sure to answer them because I use this mic almost every day. So I think I have enough experience to tackle any question. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get notified when I post more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.